Have you ever noticed how some people just radiate positive energy? They walk into a room and it's like a burst of sunshine. This isn't magic, it's about understanding the powerful connection between your mind and soul. Think of your soul as a pure, radiant light, always shining bright. Your mind, with all its thoughts and emotions, acts like a filter. When your mind is clear and positive, your soul's light shines through you with incredible strength. This is what people feel, your true, vibrant energy. However, if your mind is clouded with negativity, fear, or past traumas, it dims your light. The good news is, you have the power to change this. By understanding this connection, you can begin to consciously control the energy you emit into the world. It's about recognizing the power of your thoughts and how they directly impact your overall well-being. Remember, you are a radiant being, capable of incredible things. We've all experienced hurt in our lives. It's a natural part of being human. But sometimes, these past traumas leave invisible scars that affect us in ways we don't always realize. These scars can lodge themselves in our minds, creating negative thought patterns and limiting beliefs. We might not even be aware of them, but they subtly influence our reactions, decisions, and how we see the world. Trying to change these thoughts directly can be like swimming upstream. It's tough. Our conscious mind puts up resistance, holding on to familiar patterns, even if they no longer serve us. This is where the real work begins, understanding the deeper layers of our minds. It's about acknowledging that these past experiences, while painful, don't define us. We have the power to heal, to break free from these limiting beliefs, and step into a brighter, more fulfilling future. Imagine your subconscious mind as a giant recording device. From the moment you're born, it diligently records every experience, every emotion, every belief you encounter. It doesn't judge, it simply observes and stores. The problem is, it often takes things literally. If, as a child, you were told, "You're not good enough," your subconscious might internalize that as a universal truth. Even if you consciously disagree, that deeply embedded belief can sabotage your efforts and hold you back. This is why simply repeating positive affirmations sometimes falls short. You're trying to overwrite a deeply ingrained recording with a whisper. To create lasting change, we need to access the recording studio of our subconscious and swap out the old tapes with new, empowering ones. This is where hypnosis can be incredibly valuable. Section 4. Hypnosis, a backstage pass. Many people have misconceptions about hypnosis. They picture a stage hypnotist making people cluck like chickens. But in reality, hypnosis is a powerful tool for self-discovery and transformation. It's like having a backstage pass to your subconscious mind. During hypnosis, your conscious mind relaxes, allowing the hypnotherapist to communicate directly with your subconscious. It's like hitting the pause button on your critical factor, that inner voice that says, "This won't work." With the critical factor on hold, the subconscious is more open to suggestion. New positive beliefs can be planted directly into the fertile ground of your subconscious, taking root and flourishing. This can have a profound impact on your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It's about rewiring those old patterns and creating space for something new, something amazing to emerge. Section 5. The power of positivity and gratitude. Imagine your mind is a garden. What you choose to plant in that garden will determine what grows. If you plant seeds of worry, fear, and doubt, you'll cultivate a harvest of negativity. But if you plant seeds of positivity, gratitude, and love, your garden will flourish with joy, abundance, and inner peace. Positive thinking isn't about denying the challenges of life. It's about choosing to focus on the good, even in difficult times. It's about looking for the silver lining, the lesson, the opportunity for growth. Gratitude is equally powerful. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your energy from a place of lack to a place of abundance. You begin to see the beauty in the everyday, the miracles in the mundane. Section 6. Your mind's garden. Remember, you are the gardener of your mind. You have the power to choose what you plant, what you nurture, and what you allow to take root. It's an ongoing process, requiring awareness, patience, and self-compassion. There will be times when weeds of doubt creep in. That's okay, just gently pull them out and replace them with something beautiful. The transformative power of this journey is truly remarkable. As you clear away the debris of the past and plant seeds of positivity, you'll be amazed at the vibrant, authentic life that begins to blossom. Remember, what you focus on grows, and what you believe becomes your reality. Choose wisely. Did this resonate with you? If so, hit the like button and subscribe for more content on unlocking your full potential.